all my family was into all things sea orientated. Grandfather was a fisherman, father sailed boats and dinghies his whole life. It's world class really, because you've got shelter for every direction. You've got caves and wildlife and seabirds, and it's just everything to explore. You feel a lot closer to everything that's going on, and really a part of the landscape. The birds and wildlife, they don't really bother with you because you've not got an engine running on, and you know it can be really peaceful and quiet. Exploring the Churchill Barriers kayak is fantastic because if you go at low tide, you can get right in all block ships. They've obviously been there since World War I. It's surprising how intact they still are. You don't need to go far. You don't need to be super experienced at all. In fact, that's the whole idea of what I'm doing is you've never sat on a kayak before, and it can take you into somewhere like a World War I block ship and really get up close to things. Like this, there's nothing better really than just going out there and drifting along.